But he gets so jealous if I don't pay attention to him. He gets so jealous that these two are always around by me. He's really scared of Urza, so if he comes near me, Urza won't let me pet him. Every time when I let them out, it's like this. He won't come near me if I put these two away. Yep. Mufasa.